we go, Star Traders. SMH. This is the ETF for the semiconductor. We have come up and we've hit a major resistance level on the SMH. We're expecting a downturn from here. We're buying the $240 puts on the SMH. That's this one right here at $1. Okay, if we go out to November 15th, that 240 we purchased at 960 on the low. So we're making money on the fact that we're hitting a resistance and we're going to come down from here. Stay tuned. Sign up. Get on buy now, pay later program. You can short stocks, you can go long. We'll make a market for you.